Okay, let us start to solve this question. This question is from S.C. Verma, Volume 2, Chapter number 23, Exercise, 5th question. The pressure of a gas in a constant volume gas thermometer is 70 kilopascal at ice point. Find the pressure at the steam point. Find the pressure at the steam point. So you have to find out the pressure at steam point. So first thing is formula used. And this will be T is equal to P by P triple point into 273.15. Here we know what we know. The pressure of a gas in a constant volume gas thermometer is 70 kilopascal at the ice point. What is ice point? Ice point is 0 degree centigrade or 273.15 Kelvin, and here it is pressure 70 kilopascal at this temperature 0 degree centigrade पे टेम्परेचर कितना है 70 kilopascal. And what we have to find, क्या हम लोग को पता करना है? हम लोग को पता करना है find the pressure at the steam point. Pressure at steam point. Okay, this we have to find out. So let us solve this question. From this information that we know ice point is 0 degree centigrade. So here we can put the values in the formula. 273.15, it is the ice point temperature. So here is the pressure at ice point, and it is given what it is. It is what? 70 kilopascal. And here we have to know pressure at triple point of temperature of water 273.15. So it will be cancelled out. So here we will find Vp triple point, that will come to 70 kilopascal. Okay, now we have to find out the pressure at steam point. So here steam point, temperature at steam point सभी लोगों को पता होगा 100 degree centigrade, but in this formula the temperature is used in absolute scale, so it will be 373.15 Kelvin. Okay, now put these values in the given formula. So formula is what? P by P TR 273.15. Here put the value 373.15 is the temperature at boiling point or steam point, and it is the pressure at steam point which we have to find out by PTR, which we have found out it is 70 kilopascal. Put this value here, and here is the triple point temperature of water. And after solving Here P will be equal to 373.15 by 273.15 into 70, and after solving the answer will be near about 96 kilo Pascal. This will be your final